Good morning, dear viewer. Let's have a look at the markets. Let's start with BTC, maybe have a short look at BTCT if that makes sense, and then Nasdaq. Nothing or not much changed, to be honest. So we're still in this range. We are still bound by this resistance up here. Like I said many times before, only a clean break, consolidation above, one more push up, and then correction to me is bullish. I don't see it at the moment. This is why I still consider this an ABC, so just a corrective move, A, B, C, with the target of round about, what is it, 30,700. This would be the biggest resistance area here. Could we go from here? Yes. Could we punch right up? Yes. I only trade probabilities, not certainties. I don't know where the market is going, like I always say. Since there's not much going on, yeah, we're just consolidating under this resistance, which in itself is normally bullish. But you know, with the wave count, you could also argue that this move is done. So 1, 2, big 3. This is our wave 4, and then a small bounce up for wave 5. This could be this could be also the end. That's not out of the question. So we have to look at the smaller time frames. We are at the moment capped by, and now I have to go, sorry, so I have to go to the previous, it says week, but I think I meant, let's have a quick look. I can't remember what I meant. That's the monthly close. Yeah, so that's the monthly close, and we are at the moment capped by this previous monthly close. We got good nice candles to the upside. Let's get rid of these crappy drawings so that we can see them clearly. But like we see, yeah, we are a little bit capped by this. We didn't see a proper test of this formation, to be honest. Like, I mean, I would expect some kind of a test here, and what would be even more understandable for me, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be the most clear pattern to me, at least. But we don't know, yeah, we don't know. So we're just playing it level to level. So we are under resistance. So longs are extremely risky. Although some alts showed that they could still go up, or like I pointed out in previous videos. And let's have a look at the local situation then, since we don't, I mean, there's no big movements in the global situation. Then let's have a look at the local situation. So like I said, this could have been our wave 5. Yeah, that's possible. Yeah. So 5 waves up. That's our last impulse. That could be our last impulse. And then if this is the last impulse up, then what should have happened is impulse down, correction, bigger impulse down. So we pumped yesterday on the news of better economy figures. I can't remember what the name of that was, but we pumped quite significantly, yeah, along with Nasdaq. But what I don't like about this pump, it has followed a clear 5-wave move down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, it does not get any more clean than this. If this is a 5-wave move down, if this count is correct, yeah, then I would expect at least one more move down. So 1, 2, 3 at least. Which would be, you know, if we want to see, I mean, if we want to see an extension to this wave 5. So the extension would look like so. So we have an impulse, correction, then we have a bigger impulse, then we have consolidation, one more up, and then down again. that looks good. Yeah, especially that we would tap this critical level 30,700, make a false breakout, and then go back down. That would look pretty good to me, to be honest. Yeah, and I don't know if this correction here is done, or this is maybe the beginning of a new impulse down. Could also be. Yeah, that's also possible. So I'm more in the watch. I mean, all my trades are set to break even. If I don't earn any money, that's fine. I also opened a short here on this previous week close, so sort of a hedging position. So I'm really waiting for this. Yeah, I'm waiting for what happens. And going back to the structure, so we have 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we get what is unclear to me. Yeah, it could be an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or this could be, where's the delete button here? Or this could be just an ABC. Same stuff. Yeah. So I don't know, honestly. It's very choppy at the moment. I have hedging positions open. To be honest, yeah, to be honest, I would want to see another wave down. I thought that would be the end here. So I had this entry here. I collected a little bit of profit. Um, Still open. The rest is at break even. So if I get stopped out, then I don't gain any money at all on the remainder of this position. I have a short open here, and I'm waiting for any kind of move. It's not a perfect position to short from, to be honest. Yeah, I would have preferred to sit here, somewhere here. But very choppy market at the moment. So I'm, after an impulse up, you normally expect another impulse up. But looking at the global situation, it might have as well been the end. So if it's 5, then we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be our first impulse down. If the impulse comes down from here, then we go to the daily, or maybe 4-hour would be better. If this impulse comes, if we're going much higher, yeah, much higher, meaning we tap at least 40,000, we should not go back to here. Yeah, that's a no-go zone. If we if we break this level, yeah, if we go to somewhere here, yeah, from this area of resistance here, if we go down here, to me that invalidates the scenario where this is a big impulse up. And that means to me that this was 1, this was 2, sorry, go back. This was A, this was B, and this was C. So I don't want to see this high broken. I'm hedged with my trades at the moment. I don't know what will happen, so I just take it easy. I just watch what's going on in the chart. I think I have pretty good entries. I have protected entries on alts, a protected entry on BTC, as well as a pretty good entry on a short position. So there's even more confluence to this. So the short position, there's the confluence I see also is with the fib retracement. So if you take it from here, sorry. If you take it from here to here, we reject it right from the golden pocket. So pretty good entry. I think invalidation would be, at least to me, if if we go to 0.886, so if we go to roundabout 28,009, roundabout 29,000, then that's the invalidation for the short position. And let's see, there will be some support here for sure. What was it? 28,000, I think it was. 28,000 is support off of the weekly close. So we are sandwiched at the moment. We are sandwiched. Oh no, it was here, somewhere here. Come on, 28,068. So we are in a sandwich at the moment. So I would expect that the price would somehow bounce around here. So let's see. It will, it's the weekend, not much volume, so we will probably just consolidate here. And yeah, I mean, looking at the Nasdaq, so let's go to the Nasdaq. This is going parabolic at the moment. And this is looking very, very good. Like I said, we broke out of this range. We can delete it now. We don't need it anymore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, clear structure. If we break this high, that's even more clear. No, so I would expect that we continue up until we break this level, then take out some liquidations from there, and then descend in a 3-wave pattern, make a bottom, and then we can shoot up for another wave. And if BTC complies, then we should see very soon, it's not much to go now. What is it? It's 4% on the Nasdaq. So I would expect we maybe get that bounce to 30,700, and then we come back to clean up all this. There's hardly any resistance here. So we'll see. I would be proven otherwise if we go above here and consolidate and make 40,000 or close to 40,000. Okay, that's is there a bearish? That would be a good question. Is there a bearish scenario on the Nasdaq? Thinking to myself, I always try to analyze all these different scenarios. So let's have a quick look. So this looks totally like a 5-wave move down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This looks like an impulse down, unless this is some kind of a complex correction, which I cannot read. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the obvious stuff. Is there anything that would make me think twice? I mean, if we don't break this, then that's a big warning sign. That's the first warning sign. It's, maybe we were wrong, or maybe I'm wrong at that time, at that moment. So if we don't break it, then I would expect that this will be, a signal to the market that maybe we're not so bullish, that this could be a double top scenario, and then we could cascade down lower. So I would want to see this high broken, simple as that. Okie dokes. That's the summary. Thank you so much for watching. Have a very, very good day. So long. Bye-bye.